Hi, yeah, we are in the middle of our application. So actually we did it before up to add task. So now we want to only remaining in the UI side is we want to show the task in a different pop-up. So for that we need to create one dialog. So like this. So this is the view dialog. So we have two dialogs. One is this one. There is one dialog, but we have two things. One is expandable view we are having over there. So this is the one, this is the second one. So two things we are having. So let's do this dialog with the expandable view like this. Okay, yeah, let's start to this doing this one. So in I went into our dialog file. In the dialog page we'll already have one dialog and with image card expansion and two dialogues we are having, and in the final stage I'll add another one dialog like fun task view task dialog. It's a composable. So in this view task dialog we have three parameters. One is task. First of all, tasks. Okay, after finishing the task, on dismiss request, this one, and another one is on complete request. Okay, both are same. Okay, both are same. This is done. Okay, once it is parameters done, we are going to start with the dialog. So I'm adding a dialog. So this is on dismiss request. So inside dialog we are going to use column layout in this one. Okay, column, in the column, okay, modifier dot fill max width. So after max width, height is wrap content height, then background. Okay, sorry, background is white shape is rounded corner shape. It needs to come rounded corner shape. 16 point dp is the corner shape. Okay, so after this I'll add little padding, 16 dp padding, then text. So actually if you see the UI, so we have a text right for one. Now here I have only one text, but actually it is two. One is task title and task detail. So these are all file attachments. When we click on this we will show the image, and this is to close the dialog, this is to complete the task. Okay, so I'll add that one. Actually we here task name, okay. Font family is font. Okay, font size 16 point sp. Font weight bold, because this is a title, so we are giving bold. So sp we need to implement. After bold, text align is equal to text align left. Okay, so this is our text and then we have a next one. So this is task detail 16 instead of bold. This is regular, normal. Okay, so then we have that our file attachment showing, right? So attachment showing is a lazy column. Lazy column items index. Okay, in this one task dot file dot size. Okay, so this is a count. So in this item we are going to see create one item, attachment item. So in this one we are going to pass the item, each item. Okay, index. Okay, we need to create one function, not composable function. Okay, done. Okay, it's good. Then after this one we'll design this attachment later, because that is a little quite a big work, because we have to add one click action to expand the view also. Okay, so after this we have two equal size button with outlined, thick outlined with icon inside. Okay, so there is, I am going to add row. Okay, so row with equal width of half of. Okay, modifier, okay, yeah, modifier. Okay, this is fill width, fill max width dot padding is 10 point dp, then comma vertical alignment, center vertical, horizontal arrangement is space evenly means it will have even space in both left and right, both sides. Okay, so we arrange the rows first, then now we are going to add icons, actually icon button, inside I will add icon. Okay, so this is going to be the dismiss button. Dismiss means close button, so on dismiss we'll add the request on dismiss. Modifier dot fill max with padding is equal to 20.dp, and we add a little border. Border is 3.dp because we have a big thick border for each icons. Okay, so we add a thick border. Then color, the color is equal to red, color red. So the one, this is a cancel button, right? So that one is red, and shape, rounded corner shape of 10.dp. Okay, so this is the outline button corner we added. So then once we added the corner, we need both button in a same equal space, so we'll added weight is 1.1f, sorry, not 1.f. Okay, so after this weight, inside we need to add icon, actually icon, not this icon, that this one, icons here, icons dot filled not close. Okay, so this one is good, close icon, tint is equal to red, it is red, then modifier. Modifier dot fill max size. Okay, fill max size, this is the one. So we created one button. This is for red. At the same button we copy and paste, means it will be for second. So in this one we are going to call on complete request, and instead of red we are going to add green. This green will be very light, so I have one custom clean button green. Okay, that green will be very light, it won't be suitable for this button color, so we are changing. I added one custom color, so this one is, so now it will look like exactly like this, these two buttons with the spaces also. So now we need to create this attachments one. We'll start creating that attachment one now. Okay, where we created the attachment one? Yeah, here. So this should be the URL. Okay, we'll need one remember state, expand, remember mutable state of false. Okay, box, modifier, fill max width, and height is wrap content height. Okay, then content alignment is top end, because this also like that only that image close and all those things. So okay, box we created. Then in this one we need to add, first we create image one. If expand, if it is expand, we have to create, we already have the theme image view, right? Theme image view, URL is URL, modifier is modifier dot fill max width, height is equal to 160.dp, background is equal to color transparent color, we will add transparent color. Then shape is equal to round corner shape. We are going to corner only the bottom. Okay, round corner shape. Okay, bottom end percentage, bottom start percentage, bottom end percentage 16, start percentage also 16. Okay, we just added only for bottom. This modifier is done, right? So then we are going to add what is that this side icon and this side that arrow, right? So that one we are going to add, what is this, dot value, right? Right, yeah. So here I'll just create some dynamic variable. Okay, I'll tell you why I am creating. Row background is equal to color dot transparent where icon tint is equal to black, then if expand dot value is equal to, it's expand in the sense row background is equal to black dot copy alpha 0.3f. okay, icon tint is equal to white. Okay, good. So this is because normally it will be in black. When we click on that, the image will show the icon both will change to white. So that's why this one. So then now we are going to create one row. Modifier fill max width only. Max width, height is wrap content. Padding vertical. Actually we don't need any vertical padding. Clickable. If we click this one only, the expand dot value is equal to expand dot value. Okay, background, it's that row background. Okay, then this padding is 10. Okay, good. So again, this vertical arrangement is vertically center. Then horizontal arrangement is equal to space between. Space between is like one will be in the starting, another one will be in the end. So if we added another one, it will be in the center. So if we added another one, it will be in the first two, then next, like that it will go. So it will order in each alternate space like that. So that is space between. So inside that we have two icons. So I just copy and paste the icons from here. Anyway, we are going to use that only. Same thing only. Okay, icons. So one icon, this is not image, this is image vector, right? So one is image vector, one is keyboard arrow down, then the tint will be icon tint. Size, this is not max size, this is size is 25 point dp. okay, this is size. So here these two are same. But this one is painter, not image vector. Painter resource. Now we need to add painter resource. Where is it? What happened? Okay, yeah, it's r dot drawable dot file icon. Okay, so this is the one. So we added the two things. This is 2 3 6. I think it is good, everything is good. And one more thing, we need to add one line. So for that I'm going to use canvas. So canvas is like you can draw whatever you want. demystifier, fill max width, height is equal to dp, padding should be horizontal 13 point dp. Okay, so front and back it will be 13 point dp for canvas. Draw line is color dot black, start is equal to offset 3f, so offset is input, size dot height, end also same, so end will be dot width, size dot width comma size dot size, so this stroke with 1 dot dp dot 2 pixel. Okay, this will take pixel, see, stroke cap bounce, the bounce will be, it will be what is that, stroke okay, stroke rounded. Okay, so this will looks like an corner. So I think the dialog is good, everything is good. Let's check how it is working. So view task, we didn't add the view task in our home screen, right? So we'll add this view task in our home screen inside this one. View task dialog. Okay, so on dismiss, what is that we need to write over here, and we need to pass the dialog home state dot selected task. Actually we don't want to do like this, then only we need to open the dialog. We need to open the dialog. This is item, okay, so this is dismiss. What is this? Completed, on complete. So dismiss should be, we'll take this one and close task dialog, this one should be this will have written right, completed one. Okay, completed task. Okay, then I need to take, we need to find the item and send. Okay, like index is equal to underscore home, not underscore home UI state dot not completed list, task list, index of this task item, this item, index of this item. Then in this index we need to pass it over here. Okay, so now it should be, it needs to work perfectly. Let's check once. Okay, I'll run the application and we'll see. Yeah, application is running, so I will just add the task. Done. Okay. Okay, date. I selected the date. I'll add one image. We'll add one more image also if needed. Okay, I added two images. Then I'm adding this one. Okay, the task is added. Okay, it's everything working. Only the image stress, we need to add the image scale to normal, otherwise it is good. You guys can check it, and I am closing it. It's closing. Okay, this one is cross image, we need to change to tick. It needs to, and we need to close that also. The dialog is not closing yet. So two things we need to do. One is in the dialog section. In the dialog section here, this is attachment. No, view task dialog only, right? Yeah, this is view task dialog only. So in this dialog section, we need to go down here. Instead of that one, we need to add tick. I'll stop this one. Check. Okay, this check means it will come as tick. Okay, so then another one is in the, that one is in view model. After completing the task, we are not closing the open dialog. Show dialog, open task dialog. Okay, open task dialog we need to close. False. Okay, so this is after completing the task. Okay, it's good. I think we are good. Right now the UI things are done. Next we will go and see the domain and data layer in the next upcoming video. Okay, yeah, cool. Thank you.